we have some wire come down in a rear lot. With the rain, wire got up against the tree, burned in half, came down. We isolated transformers on both sides of us. There's a solid tap down the way. We were able to pick up the majority of the customers. So right now we're just putting the wire back up, clearing up some vines and branches, and we're going to put a larger cow horn up there, step it off that tree with some hard cover, and get these people back in power. To the west, and then we went and plugged that PLF in, putting the wire on now, or trying to put the wire on now.